Hello everyone, welcome back to Junk Journal. I'm Alice. In this video, I'm journaling with Daphne's Diary, the fourth issue of this year. I'm subscribing Daphne's Diary magazine. They offer lots of crafting ideas, travels, home decorations, and gardening. They also interview artists. I love the articles about artists. They publish 8 issues per year. If you're interested, there's a link below to their website. So, as usual, I'm cutting out little bits and pieces that I want to keep in my journal. They are photographs, illustrations, border decorations, or sometimes I tear the whole page. They just have so much beautiful images in their magazine. This was my favorite article in this issue. It was about a watercolor artist. I cut out so many things from these pages, and there was a photo with her cat showing. It was just the back of the head, but it was so cute I couldn't help myself. I knew this will be the most important photo in today's journaling. I chose this page to work with today. The left page was craft paperback and the right side was a vintage book page. Before I start to glue things, I made the background with washi tapes. I added grid paper under the photos for journaling space and added a little more of vintage style washi tapes. Then moved on to the left page. I added white washi tape. It is a beautiful design of William Morris. I wanted to add a title to this page, so I cut my favorite colors from the quotes. I started to work on the full-size card that was in the craft paperback. I pulled out a tie-dye doily and made a cluster on it. I wanted to work with a color palette too, so I tried another layout with it. Eventually, I decided to do this gardening one on the other side. So today's journaling is done like this. I love that today's pages have lots of fussy cuts and the back head of cat, of course. What was your favorite page? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoy this journaling process. The next week's video will be another Daphne's diary journaling, but with this month's issue and my digital kits. I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you in my video next Thursday. Bye bye!